Come with me to the kitchen, both of you.
Where's Mama?
Mama's not coming. Sorry, my boy.
Why are they doing this, Baba?
They think we help the rebels. Here, take this mask, okay?
Do we have one for Farah?
Yes, you'll need your own. I'll help your sister. Come. Take these phones. Use them if we get separated. Okay. Cross the bridge and go to the mountains. We'll be safe there. Come.
What if they catch us, Baba?
They will take you away and lock you up.
I don't want to go.
Okay. Listen, I know. We'll come back, I promise. Hadire, you be strong for your sister now, okay? You keep Mama here and you keep this clear. That's how we survive. You understand?
Yes, Baba.
Listen, when we get outside, you stay with me, okay?
Baba!
Oh, get behind me. Please. There's no one here. It's only my children, please.
Hide.
That's your pick. Дешевка! Hold it! Дешевка! Stop! Don't move! No idea what that. Дешевка!
Доклад.
Проверяю каждый дом. Ребенок здесь. Убить его?
Никак нет. Тащи его в машину.
Надо взять в машине? Нет?
Нет.
Зачем?
Так приказано. Что, на руках не спрашиваешь?
Тогда я принесу только одного.
Сколько их у тебя?
Нет, но как я буду искать?
Будет живым щитом.
Из-за снайперов?
Услышали доклады.
Где?
Тащи то, что есть, и мочи остальных.
Принято. Отбой. Засранец. Someone there? Who is in the house? Talk to me. I can help you. Say something. Let me see. I won't shoot. Don't be afraid. Let me see you. I won't shoot. Don't be afraid. Show me. Hey, you! Come on, get out here. Won't save you. Come face me. There is no escaping this, Suka. You're fucking done. You'd better hide, Suka. I heard that! Cosmica, no! Look what you did to my leg, you bitch! You stabbed me! A little piece of shit child! The general doesn't like little terrorists! Go ahead and hide, bitch! Oh, no, piece of... Come here! I'm gonna kill you! Don't run away from me! Run away, little girl! Run and hide! There you are! Got you, sucker! Tried to kill me!
Stab him, Farah! Kill him! Good, Farah! Again, sister! It's working! Sister!
I'll crush your little neck!
Don't be afraid. We are together. Okay. Let's check his body. Got it. Let's try and take his rifle. He's too heavy. We have to go. Come on. Baba?
My love.
You have to get up.
I can't. I can't go with you.
What do we do?
You survive. Whatever it takes. Never back down.
Goodbye, Daddy. I love you. I can't reach the lock. Come, I'll lift you. It's stuck. Try to pry it open. You can do it, sister. Farah, wait! There are soldiers.
Марков хочет ликвидировать всех.
Okay, we can go. Just stay quiet. We'll be safe.
Сэр, у нас пропал боец. О, G-12, мы не отвечаем.
Good, good. I don't think they saw us.
Возьми двоих,
Hurry.
вдвоем. Из этого дома. Да, командир.
Brother, we need to go. It isn't fair. They just kill everything. More soldiers! Stay quiet and follow me, okay? We'll go to the building, across the road. Okay? Follow me.
Что с этим? Марка просит но идея на генерала не нужна. Добить ее. Говорят, парковка 7 людей за меньше. Дома все зачистили. Вряд ли они что-то знают.
Тихо! Сюда идет Виктор.
Прочесать местность. Сопротивление? Ничего сложного. Женщины, дети идут в машину. Полный комплект.
Ready? Let's go. They're here. I'll go first to make sure it's safe. Are you hurt? I'm okay. I'm okay. Follow me. Don't worry. Air is safe. We have to go to the barn.
Get over
Don't
there!
let them see
Against the
me,
barn!
okay?
Don't try anything, understand? You two! Against the barn! Убить их всех! Wait!
If we run away, they'll catch us. We need that truck. They'll hear you coughing. I will go. Find the gun. And if you get scared, use the phone to distract them. Don't get caught. I won't.
Эй, посмотри! Я нашел револьвер! Ага, сам он и пальцем не пошевельнет. Бля, прямо новенький. Фига тебе револьвер. Только 6 патронов. Ну не такой. Эх, классно! Ага, только не мешай мне,
I
ладно?
need that gun.
44. Слышал? Проверить. Как ты думаешь, что это было? Без понятия. Может, животное? Не похоже на животное. Сверчок, наверное. Слишком светло. Они
There's
выходят
the
по
gun.
ночам. Может, газа нанюхались? Какой сверчок? Ты что, газа надышался? Что за фигня?
Don't get caught. I won't.
Посмотрим. Эй, смотри, я нашел револьвер. Ага, сам он и пальцем не пошевелит. Слышь, проверить. Как ты думаешь, что это было? Без понятия. Может, животное? Не похоже на животное. Сверчок, наверное. Слишком светло. Они выходят по ночам. Может, газа нанюхались? Какой сверчок? Ты что, газа надышался? Майкл! Андрей! Нет!
Ну и куда ты...
You did it! You saved us! Let's get out of here! I'll drive!
Возьмите его! Задок!
Let go! Let go! No! Get off me! Farah!
So you are the little devils that killed my soldiers.